Welcome to Jay's Digital Hub. Today, we're diving deep into SEO to debunk some common myths and provide a step-by-step guide to boost your small business's online presence. Are you a small business owner struggling to get your website to rank on Google? Well, you're not alone. The world of search engine optimization is full of myths and misconceptions that can hold your business back. But fear not, my friends. Today, we're going to debunk the 5 most deadly SEO myths and give you step-by-step guides to skyrocket your small business rankings. Let's start by debunking some of the most common SEO myths that might be holding you back. Myth number 1, SEO is a one-time task. One of the biggest myths is that SEO is a one-time task. You optimize your website, and then you're done, right? No, wrong. The truth is, SEO is an ongoing process. Search engines are constantly updating their algorithms, and your competitors are always trying to outrank you. And to stay on top, you need to regularly review and refine your SEO strategy. Treat SEO as an ongoing commitment. Set aside time each week or month to review your SEO performance, update your content, and adapt to the latest changes. Consistency is key to long-term success. Myth number 2, more keywords mean better rankings. Another common myth is that more keywords mean better rankings. But keyword stuffing can hurt your SEO. Focus on using relevant keywords naturally within high-quality content. Search engines like Google have become much smarter. They now prioritize high-quality, relevant content that provides value to the user. Keyword stuffing is a big no-no. Focus on user intent, not just keywords. Instead of obsessing over keywords, focus on understanding your target audience's search intent. Create content that genuinely answers their questions and solves their problems. Myth number 3, backlinks are all that matter. Many people believe that the more backlinks you have, the better your SEO will be. But the truth is, it's not just about the quantity of backlinks, but the quality. Search engines like Google are getting smarter at identifying spammy or low-quality backlinks. Focus on earning backlinks from authoritative, relevant sources instead of trying to game the system. Diversify your backlink portfolio. Aim for a mix of high-quality backlinks from industry-relevant websites, guest posts, and even social media profiles. This will show search engines that your website is a trusted and authoritative source. Myth number 4, local SEO doesn't matter for small businesses. Many small business owners think that local SEO is unimportant for them. But the reality is that local search is crucial for attracting nearby customers. Nearly half of all Google searches are for local information, and 88% of local searches lead to a call or store visit within 24 hours. Ignoring local SEO is a missed opportunity. Optimize for local search. Make sure your Google My Business listing is up to date, and ensure your NAP, name, address, phone number, is consistent across all online directories. Myth number 5, social media doesn't affect SEO. Many business owners believe that social media has no impact on their SEO. But the truth is that social signals can influence your search engine rankings. When people share, like, and engage with your content on social media, it sends positive signals to search engines, indicating that your content is valuable and relevant. Leverage social media for SEO. Maintain an active presence on the social media platforms your target audience uses. Share your content, engage with your followers, and encourage them to interact with your posts. This can help boost your visibility and authority in the eyes of search engines. Now that we have debunked these myths, let's move on to a step-by-step SEO guide tailored for small businesses. Step 1. Conduct an SEO audit. Start by analyzing your website's current performance. Use tools like Google Analytics and SEMrush to identify areas for improvement. Step 2. Optimize onpageseo. Ensure your website's content is relevant and keyword-rich. Use headers, meta descriptions, and alt texts effectively. Step 3. Improve your website speed. A faster website enhances user experience and can improve your rankings. Compress images, use browser caching, and minimize code. Step 4. Build quality backlinks. Reach out to industry-related sites for backlinks. Guest posting and creating shareable content can help you earn credible links. Step 5. Optimize for mobile. Ensure your website is mobile-friendly as more users are browsing on their phones. Responsive design is key. Step 6. Monitor and adjust. Regularly check your SEO performance and make necessary adjustments. SEO is a continuous effort. Remember, SEO is an ongoing process, but with the right strategies and a commitment to providing value to your audience, you can achieve remarkable results. So what are you waiting for? Start implementing these tips today and watch your online presence boost to new heights. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more SEO and digital marketing tips. And don't forget to share this video with your fellow small business owners. See you in the next video.